Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janice and I'm here in my kitchen because I would like to share with you on how to make cactus soft tacos. I really enjoy making these tacos. They're so delicious and they're really quick to make, and it's so simple and anyone can make these tacos. In order to make these cactus soft tacos, I will be using several ingredients. The first ingredient I will be using are flour tortillas, cactus already diced. I already went ahead and I washed my cactus and I removed all the thorns and I washed them really well with soap. And once you have them all washed, then you just dice them to get them ready to be cooked. My next ingredient would be diced tomatoes, and these tomatoes are really sweet. These came from my garden. And you also need shredded lettuce, grated cheese. You can use yellow cheese, you can use white cheese if you like. Also, you will need parsley for your tacos. Salsa is optional. You don't have to use salsa if you don't like, but some people like it to put them in their tacos to spice it up a little bit. And also I will be using a can of pork and beans. It depends on the size of your family. For us, it's a small family of 3. So I will be using this size of can, but you can also use a smaller can if you like. And basically, these are the ingredients that you will be using in order to make the cactus tacos. Okay, now I'm ready to proceed to start warming up the stuff that I already cut up. The first thing that I will do is I will start my pan on medium-low heat. And this is the pan that I will be using to cook the cactus. And the cactus, you always want to make sure that you cook it on medium to low heat because a lot of times these cactuses, they have a lot of juice and they start boiling really quick. So make sure that you cook it on medium-low heat. And the cactus, normally I will let it cook for about 10 minutes, and the reason why is because if you cook the cactus and you realize that the cactus is not ready, you can tell by the color. When the cactus is cooked, the leaves start to turn green, and then you know it's already fully cooked. And while my cactus is being cooked, then I go to my other pan and then I start cooking my pork and beans at the same time. And they usually cook around the same time, like about 10 minutes. So that doesn't take too long to warm up the stuff. And then we'll cook these 2 things for 10 minutes and I'll set my timer. And once the 10 minutes is up, and then I will be back to show you what the next step would be. Okay, now I am ready to start making the cactus soft tacos, and I already went ahead and I removed the cactus from the heat, from the stove, and also my beans. Now, one thing that I would like to let everyone know is that once your pork and beans are done, they have that juice inside of them, so make sure you drain the juice before you put them into your tacos, because otherwise your tacos will be pretty soggy and you don't want that to happen. So now I'm ready to form my cactus soft tacos. I already went ahead and I warmed up my flour tortillas in the microwave for about 35 seconds. And then now I can start making my cactus taco. Okay, so now I will put some pork and beans on my tortilla. And you don't have to put a lot of beans on your tortilla, but it all depends on you, how many beans you like to put in them. Then you add some cactus on top of the beans. Then you add some lettuce, some parsley if you like. You don't have to put parsley if you don't want. And then you put some tomatoes on the tortilla. Then I will put some grated cheese on top. And then with the salsa, it's optional. If you don't like to put salsa on your tacos, you don't need to. But I like to put salsa on my tacos to spice it up a little bit more. And once you have all the ingredients on your taco, then you just basically fold it over like this, and that one taco is already done. So then I go to my next taco and I do the same thing again. I add my pork and beans first. Then I go ahead and I add the cactus on top of the beans. Then I put some shredded lettuce, some parsley, and I like to put parsley on my meals because it actually gives it a little more flavor to them. And then I will put the diced tomatoes on top, and then my cheese. And like I said, if you don't like to use yellow cheese, you can use white cheese if you like. Or if you don't like cheese at all, you don't have to put cheese on it. And then I will put some salsa on top. And that looks so good and it's delicious. So now you have all the ingredients in there and you just fold it half like this. And then there is your taco. And then if you like, you can add a side of rice with it, a side of salad, anything you like to add with. It's really good and I recommend it to everyone. So now I will enjoy these tacos for lunch. I'm really hungry. So I hope you take the time to try this recipe. It's really easy to make and it's quick and it's not time consuming. And if you do like my tacos, please leave me a comment below and give me some ideas on what you would like me to make for my next video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you next time for more delicious recipes. Bye.